Hi there, David here again, coming at you on behalf of BeInCrypto. Today, we'll once more be turning to the wide world of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is one of the most revolutionary aspects of the cryptocurrency movement, and of course we've spoken of it on here before. If you haven't already and want an overview, then check out our DeFi For Beginners video and we'll get you right up to speed. Today though, we'll specifically be breaking down 10 different DeFi platforms and tools that can help anybody get involved with and make sense of the decentralized finance ecosystem. These include wallets, liquidity pool managers, network monitors, and more. And when used together, they should definitely help take your DeFi game to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know where to go to get DeFi metrics, hunt for new Dapps, explore the hosting blockchains, and both create and manage your own liquidity pool positions. As always, check the description below for the official links to everything we covered today. So what are we waiting for? Let's break down the top 10 DeFi tools available in 2021. First up, we just had to get Metamask out of the way. If you've been watching our videos, you've almost certainly heard this name mentioned more than a few times. For those unfamiliar, Metamask is a browser wallet, basically an extension available for all major browsers that can not only store your tokens but also interact with decentralized applications, or Dapps. Metamask is commonly used with Ethereum, but also supports other chains such as Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. There are, of course, some other browser wallets available out there, like Coinbase Wallet, Argent, and the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. They all have the same basic premises as Metamask of connecting you to Dapps, but they all come with slightly different features, pros, and cons, so definitely do some research to find out which one works best for you. Next on our list we have DeFi Pulse. Basically, DeFi Pulse acts as a sort of coin market cap for DeFi. You can easily track not only total value locked in the DeFi ecosystem, but also countless projects and platforms. Specific categories are broken down into lending, DEXs, derivatives, payments, and assets. Looking down the list, you can see info like what chain hosts the project and the current total value locked. Clicking on any name will bring up the relevant statistics, charts, a synopsis, trusted official links, and more to help you really dig into the nuts and bolts of any DeFi project you want. If you hear about a new name in the space and want to understand it fast, then DeFi Pulse should probably be your first stop. If DeFi Pulse doesn't give you all of the information you need, then maybe check out DeFiLlama. In addition to platforms and assets, here you can also track airdrops, compare the prices of assets directly, even explore things like lending, options, staking, and yield farming opportunities. There's frankly a treasure trove of information on this site, so it could be a real boon for crypto journalists and researchers. If DeFi Pulse is great for intro and overviews, DeFiLlama offers insight into almost every metric you could want to track. Moving on, we come to Dapp Radar. As the name implies, Dapp Radar categorizes and tracks Dapps. You can look at categories of Dapps such as gaming, NFTs, exchanges, and much more, as well as compare metrics about value locked and active user numbers. You can also sort by blockchain, or simply compare who has the highest numbers overall. Furthermore, clicking on any project brings up, again, all relevant information about it and a safe link directly to the Dapp. This makes Dapp Radar a great place to not only hunt for new projects, but also see what kind of overall engagement a specific platform is seeing. If you're looking for trusted, decentralized applications of any kind to engage with, then Dapp Radar is a smart place to start. Number 5 on our list is DeFi Saver. This platform is the first one we've talked about that actually lets you manage multiple DeFi investments from a single interface, but it won't be the last. DeFi Saver lets you connect your web wallet and manage your tokens, exchange them for others, or invest in various platforms like MakerDAO, Compound, Aave, and more. All this and a handful of other helpful DeFi services makes DeFi Saver a great place to start getting involved. They even have a dummy account, meaning you can test out all of their features with 100 fake Ether, so you understand how everything works before you start using the real thing. Whether you're a beginner or a long-time investor, DeFi Saver has some pretty useful features, so it's definitely worth checking out. Next, let's talk about Dune Analytics. Dune Analytics is an impressive and versatile platform for performing blockchain research. The service gives you all the tools you need to query, extract, and visualize data pulled from various blockchains including Ethereum, Polygon, and more. Essentially, users run SQL queries to gather various analytics like total transaction volume on a given decentralized exchange. This data can then be visualized in various ways and used as the basis for more complex research. This makes it an incredibly powerful tool for both researchers and investors, though admittedly it might be a little bit technical for those new to the space. Still, if deep blockchain analysis is your thing, give Dune a look. Now we move on to Revert Finance. Revert keeps things pretty straightforward, as it's a tool for monitoring your liquidity pool positions. Currently it's only available for Uniswap, both versions 2 and 3, as well as SushiSwap. Whether other platforms are coming is unclear, but the lack of diversity in their supported services is made up for in its wealth of data. You can see information on your positions such as overall growth, the costs you've paid in fees, total amounts invested and withdrawn, claimed and unclaimed rewards, and so much more. It even tracks your exited liquidity pools, so you have access to the full history of all your transactions in a single place. It's not common to find so many metrics under one roof, so be sure to give Revert Finance a look if you're currently holding funds in either of these platforms. If Revert is perhaps a little too narrow in scope for you, then maybe head over to APY.Vision. APY.Vision tracks liquidity pool positions as well as yield farming, and you can even add and remove liquidity through the platform, just like with DeFi Saver. However, APY.Vision supports many different chains in addition to Ethereum. Specifically, they support Polygon, Avalanche, CeeLo, Phantom, XDAI, Arbitrum, and Harmony. This actually gives users quite a few different options by exposure, making this the most versatile platform we've covered yet that allows for actual investments into pools. However, we should mention there's a slight downside here. In order to really unlock the potential of APY.Vision, you need to upgrade from a free to a pro plan. Furthermore, this isn't as simple as paying a one-time or recurring fee. Instead, you need to hold the native token, Vision, in your connected wallet. How much Vision, you ask? Well, that depends on how much liquidity you're providing. To qualify, you must have one Vision for every $100 worth of liquidity in your positions. That means, for example, if you're providing $1,000 of liquidity, you'll need 10 Vision, which would cost you around $37 at the time this video was made. This specific and somewhat complicated step is necessary if you want to access much on the platform besides simply viewing the metrics on the liquidity pools you already have, so it may act as a barrier to entry for some. For others, if you're willing to upgrade, APY.Vision really does host an impressive slew of features to explore. Now, if you want a comprehensive platform with fewer strings attached, then check out DeFiYield. DeFiYield offers all of the features you need to manage your portfolio. Not only can you monitor your wallet and investments from a single dashboard, you can also enter and exit liquidity positions as well as stake assets into vaults to earn returns directly. There's other tools as well, such as an impermanent loss calculator and a database of DeFi protocol audits, allowing users to see which platforms have had their code independently verified. Supported blockchains include Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Avalanche, and Arbitrum. With so much functionality and no need to sign in or hold a specific token, DeFiYield may just be the ticket for a lot of DeFi users. The last entry on our list is a real powerhouse, and that's Zapper. Zapper is similar to DeFiYield in look and functionality, but frankly Zapper offers the most diversity for interacting with DeFi, with no barriers, out of every entry on our list. Zapper can connect to all the same chains as DeFiYield, plus CeeLo, Harmony, and Optimism, with more being added all the time. It offers the expected exchange and pools, as well as vaults, yield farming opportunities, bridges between blockchains, and many more tools and features. It even lets you manage the allowances you've given to various Dapps, and you can revoke any of them at any time through a simple interface. Frankly, it isn't so much that Zapper does any one thing we haven't seen before on this list, it's just that it's maybe the most comprehensive and easy to use, all while being completely free. The service updates and adds features all the time, so if you want a powerful and flexible DeFi dashboard, definitely give Zapper a chance. By the way, before you can begin utilizing most of these tools, you're going to need some cryptocurrency first. If that's your case, then why not consider getting it on the Stormgain cryptocurrency exchange? Stormgain is not only one of the hottest up-and-coming exchanges out there, it also offers several valuable perks such as a loyalty program, bonuses for referrals, annual interest on crypto deposits, and using the official app you can even begin cloud mining cryptocurrency for free today. Whether you're looking for Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, or an array of other assets, just know that Stormgain offers a little bit more than most other exchanges, so be sure to check them out. Okay, that'll do it for us today. Hopefully these tools help you to level up in your DeFi game, but if nothing else, they should help you to understand the space that much better. Also, there's of course other very useful platforms out there that we simply don't have time to cover, but we feel we've given you both a good amount of diversity, as well as some of this field's top offerings. Of course, as we all know, there's changes happening all the time in the world of cryptocurrency, and you're going to want to keep up. So why not check us out at BeInCrypto.com, where you'll find daily updates, analysis, and more. Also, don't forget about our other content right here on YouTube, such as interviews, educational videos, and our bi-weekly news show. And lastly, if trading is your thing, then come join our trading community on Telegram, where you'll get access to the latest technical analysis from our top traders. As always, thanks to everybody who's watching, and we'll see you right here again real soon.